Get up, make some noise. The setting club from the CTEC Garrett City Basketball. Number 7, jersey number 1, Esparagara. Jersey number 13, the big boy Carino. Jersey number 17, Barsaya. Number 27, Amarot. And Messer Marcos. Match number 1 starts some basketball. Defense. Basketball. Defense. And 14 seconds on the shot clock. And Carino. 2 points. And it's 41, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1. And we have a winner, the champion. Congratulations, team of yours, CTEC Garrett City.